हाय गाइस, सो वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं आप लोगों को देने जा रही हूँ मेरा रूम टूर। और अभी मैं हैदराबाद में हूँ, और मैं हैदराबाद में इसलिए हूँ क्योंकि मेरा जो जॉब लोकेशन है वो हैदराबाद है। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ओके, सो दिस इज द होल लुक ऑफ माई रूम। अब मैं आपको देना चाहूँगी द डिटेल्ड रूम टूर। सो दिस लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द बेड फर्स्ट। सो मुझे जब ये रूम मिला था उस टाइम पे ये जो रूम था ये फुली फर्निश्ड था। फुली फर्निश्ड एज इन कि फ्रॉम लाइक विद दिस रूम आई गॉट अ बेड एंड अ मैट्रेस एंड दिस वार्डरोब। बट उसके बाद से दिस इज द इमेज ऑफ द बिफोर रूम, लाइक बिफोर आई शिफ्टेड हियर एंड लाइक हाउ इट गॉट हैंड ओवर टू मी। ओके, तो जैसे ही आप एंटर करते हो आपको सबसे फर्स्ट दिखता है ये चेयर। सो ये जो चेयर है ये मैंने लिया था क्योंकि मुझे लगा था कि लाइक आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस फॉर माई WFH सेटअप। बट लेटर it turned out that this was not very comfortable for me. So I decided to get another chair that was more comfortable than this. And I also needed one side table. So I thought that instead of buying or another side table, why not use this chair only as side table. So ये जो chair है यहाँ पे है actually ये extension. So ये जो extension है I got this extension from Amazon. यहाँ पे I charge my mobile phone. I have this all out. This is basically the supplement that I got from Amway. और वहाँ पे I also keep my water bottles and some snacks for late night munching. Now this is the diary that I got from Microsoft stationery. So yeah, also I have this hook over here. So this hook this I got from DMart. It came for around 40 or 50 rupees. There were 5 of these. So it helps me in keeping my neckband and chargers and all those things over here. Okay, so ये जो bed है, I got this with this room only. It came with the fully furnished flat, like this bed and this mattress. That pillow cover and the pillow I had to buy. So I got these 2 pillows from DMart, and this bed sheet is also from DMart. Also I got this teddy bear. Actually this teddy bear was a gift to me on my birthday, so I didn't buy it. I really like this combination because this teddy bear, if you guys have seen my previous vlogs which I was filming in back at home, then you must know that I really like soft toys. So this teddy bear, it gives me that comfy vibe, and it makes me less lonely. Yeah, so yes, I really love this. So thank you so much for gifting this to me. Thank you so much. Also, I got this single bed blanket from DMart as well. This is very comfortable. It's very soft for skin. I really love this. Moving forward, I have got these 2 curtains. और ये जो 2 curtains है, this I got from the local shop in Hyderabad. And these 2 curtains are so nice. It gives that Indian traditional vibe, and a very colorful, a very cheerful vibe to this whole room. So just adjacent to this whole thing, I have this bag, and OFC, I have this this squishy Oswald, which you might have seen on the Instagram. It is very viral there. So I got this, and like it has two faces. The happy one is pink, the sad one is blue. So this just suits here, like with this whole purplish back. Okay, so this is my work from home setup. I needed this because I go to office, but still whenever I feel like working, I like working on desk and chair. It makes me more productive. Okay, so first of all, these lights. So I got these lights from Amazon, and they are clipped using that black I think hook, which is for wires. So I got these from my flatmate Ishika. This note over here says that if we judge us by our thoughts, then why do we judge others by their actions? Let's start from here. So this at the back is the chocolate. I think this is the Galaxy milk chocolate with cookie crumble. I got this as a gift from a friend, so thank you again. Also, this is basically the pen holder, and so I have all my markers here, my pens, blue and black. So yeah, so this is in black in color, and I got this from DMart. So just adjacent to this is this vase. So I got this vase from IKEA. It was for around 99 rupees. It is so affordable, plus it also looks very classy and very decent. This gold rose is, I got this from Amazon. It is in there, like if you will search for roses on Amazon, you will get these. So I got these for this vase, and this gives a very a very classy, a very amazing look to this whole table. And this is the clock. So it is around approximately 12 a.m. and I'm 12 p.m. and I'm filming this video. So I got this clock from IKEA as well, and it was for 199. So for 199 it was a very amazing clock. Also it suits my my whole setup as well. This is the laptop stand. I got this from Amazon for around 500, like approximately 500 rupees. It is so amazing, like it has made my work so much easier. Also it is height adjustable, so you can adjust height as per your preference. So this keyboard is from Amazon. I have this mouse. So this mouse is from Amazon. I had to buy this. So this was for around again 500 something rupees, and it is very amazing. Like it is wireless mouse with that Bluetooth. So it makes my work very efficient. Moving forward, I have these two diaries over here. So this one is from Amazon. I got this as an onboarding goodie while I was working at Amazon as an ST intern. And the below one, I had to buy this. I bought this from Hyper supermarket. So this is a scented candle. So I haven't used it much. I got this from Bella Vita Organic. So there were I think 4 packs of there were 4. So 3 of them are back at my home only. I will get those when I will go to home. And this one is the California Rose. It smells so nice. So I think I will be using this maybe later, but yeah, I just love the smell. Okay, so this is the mug that I got from Microsoft as a welcome to office goodie. So I have this on my desk for some tea or coffee. So this is all about my desk setup. Like moving to this chair, so I got this chair from Amazon. It was for around 10,000. Plus this is so amazing, it has back support, it is height adjustable. This rotates. It has wheels, it has this head support as well, which is and this arms are also, you know, adjustable. You can adjust these arms as per your preference. So yeah, like I really love this chair a lot. Okay, so beside my, like, you know, adjacent to my desk, I have this big and large wardrobe. So this is the mirror part, and these are, like, you know, this is the sliding one. So this section is for my clothes. So these are all my tops. Now below this I have my kurtas, my skirts, my other t-shirts, sweatshirts and all that. I don't have, you know, much clothes because I think most of it is back at my home. I will get those again when I visit. So yeah, now this is the this has my all of my stuffs, like purse or some you know, like some bills and like some very small stuffs. So this is in so like all of it is in this. Going forward, like I have my gym clothes over there, I have my iron, my napkins and other boxes. On the other side of my wardrobe, I have again these 5 sections. So I don't use the above one because, you know, it's very hard to reach. So it is just empty. So this like, you know, this shelf is mostly for my gadgets. Like I have my laptops, tripods, mic, headsets, headphones. Those are some lights I still have, and all these things, chargers and all. So I keep all of this in here. Now below that I have this section in which I keep all my makeup and stuff. Like I have got my scrunchies, my earrings and all that stuff. Yeah, so I think there was a box, that red one you see, like I got it from IKEA for, like, you know, just for 19 rupees. I use that for basically keeping my small earrings or bracelets and all that stuff. So these are my products. I don't have much again, but yeah, like this is just enough for me for now. Now below that I have that book that I issued from Microsoft Library. That book is the AI 2041. I have read I think 5 chapters from that, but still I have to read more. Like yeah, so that hat I got from from the local market in Hyderabad. So yeah, again at the lowest shelf I have all my bags and stuff. Okay, so moving forward to this section, so that is my laundry bag. So I keep all my stuffs, like, which I need to wash, in that laundry bag, and I got that from DMart. I think it was around 30 or 40 rupees. It was, you know, very affordable. That is my bag. That bag is also from Amazon, but I use it when I go to office. I haven't received yet my goodies from Microsoft, so I am using that bag only. And that is the weighting machine. I got that, I think, from AccuSure. I brought that from my home because again, like, you know, it really helps me in keeping track of my weight. So, you know, I think it is very important for me for some reason. So yeah, I keep that over there, and that bag just lies around here and there. So that plant, I got the plant from IKEA, I think for around 600 rupees. Okay, so that's it. Now moving forward, I have that. Yeah, so I used another hook here, and the reason for that is that, you know, this hook, like, you know, I keep my keys and other stuff here. I don't have to search for it. It's placed here, so like whenever I go out of room, I just take this with me. I have an attached washroom in my room. My room has an unattached but dedicated washroom, so it is outside of the room, which I'll show you now. This is all for my room tour. I think everything is set up in the way I wanted it to be. So yeah, so I just hope you will like this vlog, and you will like, if you want another vlog from me, please comment down in the comment section, so that I'll know what you guys want to, what should I film next. Also, please like, share and comment on this video if you like it. Thank you so much for being on my channel and for watching my vlogs.